Hi folks, this is the second part of our webshop building tutorial. In this video, I'm going to create some product categories, add some products, and I'll create some additional pages. And finally, we will change some default theme settings. Okay, I'm here logged in to my dashboard. Okay, I have a warning that there is an update available for one of the plugins. So let's check this out. WooCommerce has an update. Let's update it. Okay, now let's create some product categories. Go to Products, Categories, and here we just have to type the name of our categories. Let's create one, for example, click Add New Category. If you want, you can add the thumbnail to this category, but for now we will not use any thumbnails. So just click Add New Categories. And that's it, the category has been created. Let's add a new one. And another one. Okay, and I just stopped the video to add the rest of the categories. The process is the same. Okay, so I created all my product categories here. Now let's add some products. Click Add New. Okay, the title of my first book will be Okay, this is going to be a science fiction. As you can see, all the categories we've just created are listed here. Okay, I'll just add some lorem ipsum. This is going to be a simple product, and let's say it's $50. And we'll add a short description. And finally, we'll add the product image. I have already created my product images. And click Set Product Image. When you create your product images, it's important to be consistent. Make sure that the width and height of your product images are the same. Otherwise, your products may look funny on the front end. Okay, so now we added all the information that we need. Later, we will extend this by adding new features like author name or sample pages that the visitors can see on the front end. When you're ready, just click Publish. Okay, you can view this product and you can see here's the title. This is the short description. This is the description that you add here. Here you can find the longer description. This is this part. Here's the price. And here's the product image. And the category. Now this page will be different because we will design a better looking product template later. Okay, now I will pause the video and add the rest of the products. Okay, I added all my books. As you can see, some of the books have two prices. That's because I added a sale price. Just let me show you. Okay, so this means I added a lower price in the sales price field. And as long as this price is here, this book will be available for $25. If you want, you can schedule it. You can set a from and to date, and when the sale expires, it will automatically display the regular price. Now, let's create some additional pages. In terms of service, I won't be adding any content to this page. We will just need it to display some links in the footer later. But of course, if it was a live website, then you should put your terms of service here. Privacy policy. And the shipping policy. Okay, that's enough. And finally, let's add some basic global configuration to the theme. For this, go to the front end. And from here, select the theme customizer link. Okay, in the general settings, layout settings, change the theme accent color to EF8F61. The rest of the settings can remain the same. If you want to enable box layout, this is where you can do it. It just basically places your entire site content into a container like this. If you select this option, then you will be able to add background image or background color, but I will not use it. Okay, click publish. Go to typography and let's select a header font. I will use Open Sans and the same for the body font family. You can select different fonts. I don't like to use too many font families on a site because it can affect page speed. Set the body link color to okay, the rest can remain the same. Click publish. For the background color, F1, F1, F1. Click publish. And we can add some global style for the buttons. Okay, text size should be 18. Text color should be white. The background color EF8F61. We won't need border for the button, and for the button's font we'll select Open Sans as well. And by default we won't use any icons. Okay, click publish and let's set the hover style. Text color white, the background color EF6626 and click publish. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, so this is how our homepage looks right now, but don't worry, we will start working on this in the next video.